A ratio is the quotient of two numbers or two quantities with the same units. There are three common ways to write down a ratio: using a colon, using the word to, or as a fraction. Since ratios are fractions, we can simplify ratios. The ratio 4 to 6 is the same as the ratio 2 to 3. For example, if a class has 10 boys and 11 girls, then the ratio of boys to girls is 10 to 11, or 10 over 11. This means that for every 10 boys in the class, there are 11 girls in the class. So for every 21 students in the class, 21 being 10 plus 11, 10 are boys and 11 are girls. Hence we can write two other related ratios then. The ratio of boys to students is 10 to 21. The ratio of girls to students is 11 to 21. Let's illustrate this with the examples on page 75. Question 1. The ratio of boys to girls in a class is 2 to 3. There are 12 boys in the class. How many girls are in the class? Let x be the number of girls in the class. Then the ratio of boys to girls is 12 to x. But we are given that the ratio of boys to girls is 2 to 3. So writing both ratios as fractions, we get 2 to 3 is 12 to x. To solve for x, we cross multiply. 2 times x is 3 times 12. To solve for x, we divide both sides by 2. So x is 3 times 12 over 2. We can first simplify before we multiply out. This becomes 3 times 6 over 1, which is 18. So there are 18 girls in the class. Question 2. A baker uses water and milk in a certain recipe. The ratio of water to milk in ounces is 3 to 4. He uses 84 ounces of liquid. How much water did he use? Let x be the amount of water he uses in ounces. So the ratio of water to liquid is x to 84. But since the ratio of water to milk is 3 to 4, we know that the ratio of water to liquid is 3 to 3 plus 4, or 3 to 7. For every 7 ounces of liquid used, 3 ounces is water, 4 ounces is milk. Writing both ratios as fractions, we get x to 84 is 3 to 7. To solve for x, we cross multiply. 7 times x is 84 times 3. To solve for x, we divide both sides by 7 and simplify before we multiply out. 84 and 7 simplify to 12 and 1, and so we get x is 36. So the baker uses 36 ounces of water.